Hi besties and broasties, welcome back to day 11 in our 30-part series. We're following along the training below at making our 10-piece handmade product lines with Renae Christine's training. Today we're going to be looking at another avenue you can use as a sales funnel. Okay, so what we're looking at today is how to sign up for Amazon Handmade. So if you just search for Amazon Handmade and then that'll take you to a link, and just make sure you're in the right country. Okay, so here it's listing some details for you. So basically there's zero upfront costs and that there is a 12% referral fee on all sales. Okay, Amazon can fulfill your selling for you. Invite only. Customized products. Sell across Europe, and that'll be different if you're in say US. And tell your story. Money. Okay, so basically you register to sell, list your products and start. And you can find more information in the frequently asked questions. So we're just going to apply to sell. Oops. So apparently you need to be on a particular browser. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, and here you're picking your country. Okay, handmade artisan application form. Okay, so let's fill this out. Okay, and here you select if you're artisan working alone, artisan with less than 20 employees, or a collaborative artisan group or other. Okay, and select which option represents your work. My products are handcrafted, my products are hand altered. I do not make my own products, I customize each one based on customer requests. I purchase handmade products from other artisans and sell them. Okay, so I'm going to say handcrafted, and which best describes your production process. I design and make my own products. I design and make my products, but a small portion of work is done outside. Okay, so select option that best represents your work. My products are handcrafted, my products are hand altered. I do not make my own products, I customize each one based on buyer's request. I purchase handmade products from other artisans to sell. Okay, select which option best represents your work. My products are handcrafted. What best describes your production process? I design my own products. What percentage of the process is done by your employees? So me, 75 to 100. Okay, and then tell us about your products and processes. Provide us a step-by-step description of your process from start to finish. So we'll fill this out. Okay, so that's done. And now optional, but I would do suggest it so you get approved to show copies of your work. Okay, so I've just used some old images here, and once they're uploaded we can proceed. Okay, so artwork, hopefully those will be uploaded by the time we finish this. And how did you hear about Handmade? And just wherever you heard about it, whether it was here or other. Okay, and here you just need to click to confirm. I think you need to go into this. Okay, so here, handmade guidelines, eligibility. The approval is currently required to sell handmade products. Approval is currently required to sell in handmade category. So to request approval, go here. This is your eligibility. Category guidelines, copyright, trademark related policies, protecting handmade integrity. And if your products are not handmade, you'll be using this here link to go, and listing requirements. Okay, and you can read those by yourself. Okay, and let's just take into where we already were. Will it let us tick? No. I think it's still uploading. Let's give it a minute and come back. Okay, successfully uploaded. Let's try again. No, something's wrong. One second. Okay, so it's letting us go ahead by ticking that. I don't know what was going on with that. So I'm just going to put in some details. Okay, so now I've put in my personal details and go on to the next page. Select country again, country location, and type of business. See what happens. I don't know why the country is still red. Makes sense. Well, it looks like again it's going ahead. Okay, so the next page is going to be your address, so fill out those details and proceed. Okay, I definitely had some trouble here with the phone number. Wouldn't accept the valid phone number. Had to change it to say I didn't have a mobile number and get them to call me on my mobile number to get a verification code, but that's done now. Next you'll need to enter your payment details. Okay, and once you enter your payment details, just proceed, and they want your store name. And start listing your products. Let's see what happens here. Okay, so we need to enable two-step verification to protect our account. Then enter your telephone number, agree to text or voice delivery, then enter the code that they send you. Okay, now we need to give an alternative sign-in method. Okay, this is a private browser, so I don't need the two-step verification for this computer. Okay, and then here's a view of the inside of the selling app. Here we've got catalog, add products, complete your drafts, view selling applications, inventory, manage inventory, inventory planning, add products via upload, inventory reports, manage promotions, sell globally, manage fulfillment. We have pricing, orders, advertising, stores, programs, reports, and performance. Okay, and messages here. There's messages, help, and settings. Okay, so that's a quick overview of that. Later in another series, you may come back and look at this if I set up an actual Amazon storefront correctly. Okay, well, I hope that was helpful, bestie. Okay, I hope that was useful. Don't forget to grab the training down below and you can follow along as well. The link to that is www.joreilly.com/formulas. Okay, see you tomorrow, besties and brosties.